that's huge numbers. And, as a social worker, I work for the community mental health system, so I am really aware of how difficult housing is already. And if we are losing the capacity for 3,000 housing units, the impact on the community is so profound. So the city has attacked the housing unit on every front possible. We have worked really hard to bring in developers. We have worked really hard to acquire tax credits to make housing affordable. We took $5 million of the ARPA funds that the city got and put that into basically a revolving housing fund. And we have such smart people on our staff. I am continually blown away at the way that they make nothing work. And this revolving housing fund is building houses on city-owned vacant lots and then selling them at less cost than it took to build them. And we're able to do that because there's a scattered brownfield tax capture that continues to pay the money back into the fund. So we are able to provide new built homes for low-income families and sustain that. And that's just incredible. Those things aren't being done anywhere in the country. And in fact, the City of Muskegon is up for an award, and I forget the name of the award, but it's very prestigious. And we are one of very few communities, I think it's 5, that have been nominated for this award that is being recognized because of this housing initiative.
Well, yeah, and I think if you drive through the city of Muskegon, you see evidence of all that, right?
Yeah.
From the single family homes to the multi-unit dwellings that are being built, as you indicated, at all price points.
The Shaw, there's a ribbon or a groundbreaking on Monday that I'm going to for the Shaw Walker building, and that rotting carcass of a building that has been, the bane of that side of the city for decades now is going to become an incredible amenity and an opportunity for people at every house, at every price point for housing. You're going to have folks that are income-based on vouchers living in the same building as folks who have the penthouse suite in the Lakeview.